The blobfish Cycrolutes marcetus is a fascinating deep-sea fish known for its unique appearance. The blobfish has a distinctively gelatinous and blob-like appearance, which is where it gets its name. Its body lacks typical muscle structure, giving it a sagging, droopy appearance. Its body is primarily composed of a gelatinous substance with low-density flesh, which allows it to remain buoyant in the deep sea. When it's out of its natural habitat, such as in shallower waters or on land, it appears pale pink or light gray. However, in its deep-sea habitat, it may appear more brownish due to the pressure difference affecting its body structure. Unlike most fish, the blobfish lacks a swim bladder, an organ that helps fish control their buoyancy. Instead, it has a gelatinous mass that allows it to float effortlessly in the water column. Blobfish are typically found at depths of 600 to 1,200 meters to 2,000 to 3,900 feet in the deep waters off the coasts of Australia and Tasmania, as well as around New Zealand. They have a notably low metabolism, which is thought to be an adaptation to the low food availability in their deep-sea habitat. Their sluggish nature allows them to conserve energy in the nutrient-scarce environment. The blobfish's gelatinous body not only helps it remain buoyant, but also withstands the immense pressure of the deep sea. Its lack of a swim bladder and low-density flesh prevent it from being crushed at extreme depths. Though often depicted with a somewhat melancholic expression due to its droopy appearance, the blobfish's facial features may serve a purpose beyond aesthetics. Its elongated, somewhat downturned snout may aid in capturing prey that drifts near its mouth. Living in the perpetual darkness of the deep sea, blobfish likely rely on other senses besides vision. They may have well-developed olfactory and tactile senses to detect prey and navigate their environment. They are predominantly sedentary creatures, rarely moving from their position on the seafloor unless disturbed by currents or other external factors. Due to their low-energy lifestyle, blobfish opportunistically feed on whatever prey comes within their reach. They may use their gelatinous bodies to engulf small organisms that drift near them. Given their solitary and sedentary nature, blobfish likely have limited interactions with other individuals of their species outside of the mating season. Like many deep-sea species, blobfish are believed to engage in seasonal breeding, where individuals may migrate to specific areas or depths to reproduce. In the absence of visual cues in the deep sea, blobfish may rely on chemical signals to communicate during courtship. Olfactory cues could play a crucial role in identifying potential mates. Female blobfish likely release their eggs into the water, where they are fertilized externally by the male. The fertilized eggs then drift with the currents until they hatch into larvae.